Oh, that's a bit more comfortable. So I just test rode a Panigale V2. I've been thinking for quite a while about getting a full sports bike, and I'm just trying to talk myself out of getting a full 200 horsepower super bike. I'm on a Ducati V2 Panigale. The bikes I came down to that you can still get today was this one, the Ducati Panigale V2, the GSXR700. Unfortunately, I can't find a GSXR to ride, but I just want something like mid-power, mid-range, not stupidly expensive. So yeah, this is my first ride on a Panigale V2. I do really like the GSXR700 as a bike. Like, I just love the way the Panigale looks. Honestly, it's such a beautiful bike. Jumping on it immediately, it is probably a little bit more uncomfortable than I expected. I'm coming from an MT09, so anything is going to be an adjustment, but it's nice on the highway because the wind's holding me up just enough to kind of take pressure off. Quick shift is nice and smooth. Yeah, sick Corvette. I did look also at the ZX-10RR. I know that's contradictory to what I was just saying, but they're pretty good value for money, and they're a pretty insane bike. I just took it for a short blat on the highway, and then I took it for a little detour around the back roads back to the dealer. And yeah, it's a really nice bike. Super smooth, it sounds nice, and they have a deal going at the moment where you can get like $3,000 worth of accessories included, which I could probably get an exhaust and like the V4 tail, which looks way better in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think. Like I said, this isn't a first ride video or anything, but let me know in the comments if you were buying a full sport bike and you wanted something mid-size, would you get a GSXR700 or a Panigale V2? Maybe I'll leave it up to you guys to decide what I buy. It's just something about the Suzuki's. I had a few when I was younger, like the GSXR600, and I just really love them, eh? Like, I like the basicness of it, but I do also like the technology. So I don't know, bearing in mind it's a second bike, it's not going to be my main daily because I got this beast. I'm obviously super leaned over, and it's something I'm going to have to get used to with any sport bike, but I did test ride that S1000 a while ago and I was pretty set on that, but it's just so much money. I remember it being a little bit more comfortable than this riding position, but as far as I remember riding my friend's R1, this is more comfortable than that. This one is way more basic than the V4S. Obviously it has shower forks. I think it has a Öhlins rear shock, but for me, like I said, it's about the looks on this bike. So much airbox sound as well. I'd have to really get my core strength up to ride one of these. It's just one of those bikes I just want to look at all the time. Like, I want to get off it and see myself riding it. I'm feeling that Panigale heat. Not as much as the V4. That thing is shocker. This video is obviously a bit of a ramble. I had no plan on videoing it or anything, so hopefully it's still entertaining. Probably never going to see the light of day. Anyway guys, I'm going to head back to work, so catch you in the next video. Tonight we're going off to Moto Social. It's the first one back from the season. Me and Ethan are going to ride, and we've got our comms all set up, recording and everything, so it's going to be fun. So I'll see you in that video soon.